Konnichiwa, manga lovers! Which do you focus when you read manga, illust, or story? Hey yo, welcome to my atelier! Me is your manga teacher, Eva Eilish, creator type Vtuber. Last lesson, we went to manga tool shop and saw some tools for beginners. This time, me will teach you how to make manga story. Let's enjoy manga lesson together. Kids, day, Jack. Which do you more read, overseas comic or Japanese manga? Japanese manga story is very important. Heartwarming story and funny story. Those are catching people's heart. Making story step is very important. We will separate some video. Today, only one point we want to remember. Most important thing in manga story is originality. For this, when you think story, me recommend you not read your favorite manga. Why, Eva Sensei? I want to read manga every day. I want make cool character and story like this manga. I need to read and study. Enjoy read manga is very good. But if you make story, one thing you must be careful. If you read your favorite manga, when you think your story, your manga become parody manga. Me also many times experience this. When me read manga, me really love and me think my story same time. Motive, character, story become some like that manga. So when me in creation mode, me try not read manga. But this is only my way. Me not force you. If reading manga give you motivation and help you find dream to draw manga, that is good thing. Well, finding originality is very difficult. Why you need to find your originality? That we study in next lesson. If you're interested in my lesson, please subscribe. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like. Me is so happy if we can meet again in next time. See you again in a month. ありがとうございました。See ya!